Hello everyone, this is ML Naruto. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be talking about how to view multiple worksheets or workbooks actually, not worksheets, but workbooks. See here, see the heading of the workbook, that is book 1. In the sense, this is the first workbook. Okay. Now, here we have book 2. This is the second workbook. Here we have book 3, that is the third workbook. Now, if you want to see all the workbooks, all multiple workbooks at a time. So how to do that? Just go here in this view tab. Here, click on arrange all. Then obviously you would be asked with the options tiled or horizontal or vertical or cascade. So just choose horizontal. Windows of active workbook. Okay. Now click OK. Now go here and tap on view side by side. If you tap here, it usually asks whether book 2 or book 3. So just select book 2 and click OK. Then obviously what happens is, see here. So automatically synchronous scrolling is actually activated. Now if you scroll, see, if you scroll in the workbook 1, automatically the second workbook would also be scrolling. See here. See, for example, here in the 24th cell, I'm writing maybe CASH cash. Okay. Now in the 38th, in the 38, no, in the 24th itself, I'm writing here pencil. Okay. So now look here. So for example, if I scroll here, see, I'm scrolling. Okay. In the 24th, I have got cash here. And if I scroll down here, I'm getting 24th as pencil. So this would also be moved and this would also be moved. So likewise, you can easily do that. And so this is it. So if you just turn it off, then automatically you will be out of this viewing multiple workbooks. Okay. So likewise, you can view multiple workbooks at a time and you can scroll them as well.